Hello, everyone. This is Marlin Carter out of Dallas, Texas, and welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm getting more traffic to my website or my business opportunity. This is what you call lead sleep, and this is a way that you can get traffic to your website. No matter what you're promoting online, you need a way to bring traffic or bring people in that will see your business opportunity. In this lead sleep, this is my daily routine. I just want to show you my daily routine. And before we get started, I want you to know that this is a good program to get involved with. Okay, it's we are giving you a free life membership. This is free for life. Of course, once you join, get your free account, you're gonna see the different benefits from free to an upgraded member. Uh, this is what you'll get right here: traffic to your website. It's human, not human, but it's human, not a bot. In other words, you got real people that's looking at your site or business opportunity. List manager, you have for a free member, you can build up to 10 lists, and that's powerful to me. Unlimited subscribers. And once you get subscribers in, those are your subscribers, and you can mail out to them. Page builder, you can get up to 10 pages, hosting included. Everything you need is inside of this site, inside of Lead Sleep. Pop-up creator, you can get 10 pop-ups, hosted included. And Lead Sleep is hosting everything that you are going to do in here as far as building pages, building your pop-up sites, and you have link tracker unlimited with rotator. And that's this right here I love, because in a rotator you can just put one link out there, and you can put how many links. Just say, you for instance, that you have a group of people in your business or in your group that you are connected with in a business, and you want to help them promote their business. You can put their link inside of this one link, which is a rotator, as well as your own, and you can just promote that one link. Every time someone click on that link, your link will come up, or one of your associate links might come up. I like that link rotator, and it says you get uh unlimited. You can build as many as you want to, and you can make money 4 ways in this business, in this program, and more. Read on to find out. Just come over here and read on to find out more about Lead Sleep. I'm going to get to my daily routine in a second, but this is 300 testimonies. Can't be wrong. You have people, thousands of marketers using Lead Sleep, and whereas you get an autoresponder, and you get a way to build your list, and you get capture pages that you can build, all this for free. And if you if you have used autoresponders before, if you have built capture pages before, you know a lot of those programs charges from $50 on up each and every month. So this is a way that you can get in for life, as you when you join up as a free member. And this is Cleve Anderson right here. He say, I've used many all-in-one system in the past, but I've yet to discover anything that can even come close to the overall benefits that have come from using Lead Sleep. That's Cleve Anderson. And John Macklin, he said, Lead Sleep has all the free tools and advertising platform any newbie can dream of, and all that is accessible to the free member, and even more to the pro member. And this is Hassan Flores. I became a pro member a few weeks ago, and the day after becoming a pro member, I received some surprising results with few people opting into my programs. And see, that's awesome. That's just 3 testimonies, and you can read more testimonies right here once you click here. You can read the comments in our blogs. And right here, we have over 171,000 members in leadsleap. That tells you a lot right now. And right here, when you look at how many members we have and real visitors sent to is 56.2 56 million point two 100,000. And man, that's a lot. 56.2 million. That's what I wanted to say. 56.2 million real visitors sent. Man, isn't that awesome? Here's something that you can join for free. If you've been looking for a way to drive traffic to your site, Lead Leaps is the place to be. Get your free account. Let's log in. This is what I do daily to gain credit to my site where people will look at my site as well as I look at other people's site. I log in and I go here. This is my back office. You see, I'm a pro member right here. Let me see. Let me click on pro member, my pro membership. This is free versus pro comparison. You can come over and visit here. Let's go down to, let me see. Let's go down to the page builder. You can get 10 limited. 10 is your limit for being free. If you're a pro, it's unlimited pages. Custom pass, that's for pro. I mean, social review. Social review is good too. This is the list manager. Number of lists you can build is 10. For pro membership, it's unlimited. Send email series. With the free membership, you cannot build up a series like an autoresponder. But if you're a pro, you can build a series of emails that will go out to your list once you become pro. Send a broadcast. Broadcast, you can send 10 a month. That means if you're building a list, if your program is not sending a series out, you still can send out 10 broadcasts monthly. Within a month, you can send 10 broadcasts out. You're looking at a little over two broadcasts a week or more. So this is powerful. Recurring broadcasts is for pro members. Uh, uh, Sub verification pro members with the recurring broadcast. I guess that's like an autoresponder that would just put it in and you can just date it to go out at a certain time. But you cannot do that. You just have to go in and send a broadcast out 10 times a month, if you will. And page builders, again, you have limited 10. In here, you can build your own pages. You can build your capture pages that will bring leads into your program, and then you can send messages out to them. And I just love it, and this is the way that I get credit to my site. This is the way that I have people within the system. We talking about over 171 thousand people, members. We gonna show you how to get credit and where those thousands of people will see your site. I'm gonna go to, let's go over here to the right side where it says surf and earn. You're going to be surfing sites. You just click on the site here. And also, you make money when you surf the site. It's not a lot of money, but it adds up over time. You surfing, you looking at people's site and you earning money at the same time. Okay, we're going to click on open the link and a page will come up. you stay on that page at least for 5 seconds. Right here, the young lady say, "Welcome back. It's your first first click of the day, first ad click of the day," and she says, "Keep it up." This little icon lady will encourage you to keep surfing, at least get 10 a day, so you can get the bonuses and your site will be seen. And once you have gained credit, it will tell you over here on the left side where it says today's 0 plus. That means that you just started and you have gone, you have looked at your first site. Okay, you click on another ad. All these are ads from people that's in the system. You open the link up. This is another ad. When you are clicking on ads, looking at other people's ads, people are looking at your ads. You are gaining credit for people to look at your ad. Each credit you gain is the credits that you have to uh, uh, it's credits you have within that day for people to just say if you got 10 credits, that's 10 uh, uh, times your site will be seen. Okay, that's mine. This beginning my first site. It says surf 10 ads a day and earn daily active bonuses. Surf more, earn more. So I'm just going to get out. I've gained a point for this, a credit for this. I'm going to get out of that. And I'm going to click another one. Open it up. And this is my daily routine. I at least do 10 a day. Over here, say today's clicks 2 plus 1. Total credits of 1.7. Traffic you'll get is 1. So you just click 10 ads a day and gain credits to your site. This is all free. I mean, you don't have to upgrade if you don't want to, but I upgrade immediately so that I could get the benefit of using this program where I get paid to show other people this program. Let's go back over here. So I've shown you how to click on each site to gain credits. I'm going to do this until I get 10 sites. And I normally go, but normally I click on 20 or 30 sites a day. It say 5 more ads to get to go before you earn daily active bonus today. You get bonuses once you click 10 sites. You get bonuses. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my home page, and I just want you to see a page that I have built. This page manager. Go down here to page manager, and once you start using this free program, you don't have to worry about getting lost on how to use it because you have tutorials up here. Each place you come to, each icon, I mean, icon, not icon, but each tab you click on, just say, I'm in the page manager where I can build my own pages. It's going to tell me how to start building my own page. It's going to tell you what can leadsleap page builder do. It's going to tell you, and then how to build a page. It's going to tell you how to link a page to a SendSteed list. SendSteed is the autoresponder that leadsleap uses. And let's go back over to the page manager right quick. Page manager, and I'm just going to show you a site that I built. This is a site you be able to put your own background in there. You'll be able to put your own wordings in there, whatever you are advertising, whatever business that you want to promote. You can specify in your capture page what you want them. You want to, I guess, arouse their curiosity on what you are doing. Don't just open up and tell them what you're doing. Just let them know that this is a business opportunity that